Just wanted to show you how pretty she is today. Wearing our pretty little socks. Our pretty little socks. Our pretty little skirt. Hi! Miranda. William, leave him alone. No, you're crawling around on him. Leave him alone. Hi! Spoon, don't take your pretty bow off. It's such a pretty bow. Okay, don't do that. It's going to hurt. I know. She doesn't like bows. You gotta leave it on. You gotta leave it on, sister. William, stop it. He doesn't want to get up. He was happy sitting there playing. What? Hi. Please don't puke. Mama. Hi, Mama. Uh-oh. Where's your spoon?
What is this?
It's a bank. Put it in there, please.
Is it dirty?
No, they just don't use that.
Ow. She's not being easy.
Well, what are you supposed to tell her?
Be easy. Be easy. Be easy.
Oh, dang it, sister.
What does she do?
She's popping herself with the dang headband. That's fine, look. Now you don't have to wear it. You don't have to wear it. Fine. Well, don't mess her hair up. Now she just looks crazy. What? What? Okay, bye everyone.